Good morning to everybody. Greetings. We are gathered here to celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be conducted between these couples? Meron po bang kukontra sa wedding? Kung wala, let us go. Tayo na po kayong dalawa. Magharap kayo. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Sige. Mercy, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in the love and service of your husband-to-be? Ronel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in the love and service of your wife-to-be? O, kayong dalawa, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay. Ronel, will you have Presi to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Presi, will you have Ronel to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? May singsing tayo. Sige, kunin mo yung singsing mo na yun. Follow after me. Sabihin mo sasabihin ko. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Set mo na. Ganun din lang. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, please sing. Yan, actually. O, harap naman kayo dito. O, ano naman payo natin po at saka wish sa ikakasalan natin. Naman payo tayo ngayon na namilig kasal. O, sige, muna kayo lang.
Ang payo ko po sa kanila ay yung pagmamahalan nila na walang hanggan. At kung magplano sila ng kung may plano sila sa buhay, ay kailangan pag-usapan nila. Iyan lang po.
Ilocano or anong language pa ba rin?
Kaya ito kumit, kanya nga ito ang agasawa manito di at takot. Jai, agin mayat tayo, kanya mansano at dati kumalakas kalagyan ni lakay mo, asipasiwan ito na. Tagli kabagyan na, kapitan ka at may kalakwada. Kaya uray, ikaw.
Translate ko na lang.
Mahalin mo naman yung relatives ni Tracy.
Thank you. O, dito naman, harap po tayo dito sa kabila naman. Ano naman wish mo natin? Mga payo sa mga ikakasal?
Sa inyong dalawa, alagaan niyo mabuti ang pagmamahalan ng iyong simbahan. Dapat panatilihin ninyo ang pagmamahal ng bawat isa. At saka, isa pa, kung mayroon kayong mga dumating na pagsubok, problema, pag-usapan nyo ng maayos. Huwag nyo pababayaan, kalalahanin nyo kami, dito kami, parents, sa mga magbina, para gagawin sa inyo.
Sa likod. Hanap naman tayo sa likod.
Ang masasabi ko sa inyo, dapat, di ba, sa school meron tayong TOR, yung transcript of record. Dito naman, gawin natin, yung T is yung trust. Dapat meron kayong trust sa isa't isa, may tiwala, at saka openness. Dapat kung may problema kayo, pag-usapan nyo. No, wag yung... Tapos yung R naman is respect. Dapat respetuhin natin ang isa't isa yung mga asawa natin. No? So, yun lang natin.
So, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Congratulations. At ang pwede ko namang ma-share sa inyo, yan, nasabi na nila. Pero idagdag ko doon na ang isang sikreto ng successful na marriage, although hindi naman sabihin natin na excellent, pero ang isa din nakikita ko dito na para ma-maintain at mapangalagaan yung pagmamahalan niyo, huwag kalimutan din yung spiritual na aspecto ng ating buhay. At huwag nakapokus lahat sa mga material na bagay dito sa lupa, because alam po natin na tayo ay nilikha ng Diyos na may purpose, ganun din ang marriage. Alam natin na ang Diyos din ang nag-design. So, huwag din natin kalimutan ang ating obligasyon sa Diyos na lumikha sa atin, nag-design ng pag-aasawa. Kaya, yan din. At prayer ko na patuloy pa na i-bless ng Panginoon ang pagsasama ninyo. At sabi ng Biblia na ang pag-aasawa ay till death do us part. So, God bless you. Yung dalawa.
Sabi na lahat.
Marami na. Sige, magharap na kayong dalawa. Ronel, Leslie. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya ulit. Follow after me, ha? I hereby take you, Pres, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Same. Let's see, follow after me. I hereby take you, Ronel, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we departed by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay naman, let's see, ano naman ang vows mo to Ronel as a wife? Promise mo sa kanya. Sige, from the heart. Tapos tignan mo yung mata niya.
I vow that I will be with you forever, with the guidance of our God, families, and friends. I promise that I honor you, I cherish you, and I love you today and every day.
So, yan naman, Ronel. Ganun din, ano naman ang vows mo to your wife? Promise mo sa kanya. Basta as.
ng buong puso. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa pamilya. Ama, kasi makaligta mo ko.
Hawakan mo pa rin kamay. Oh, by the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as their witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuarespa III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which have been contracted to and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Oh, sige you may now kiss the bride.
5 minutes daw, 10 minutes na.
Nako ka ba? Baka hindi na po kayo. Yung mga ninong-ninang po, punta po dito sa harapan, paki-witness po yung magpipirmahan sila ng Certificate of Marriage. Witness po natin, witness po natin. Punta po tayo dito. Witness ko, para...
Holding hands.
Present pare, family mo na family. Oh, ninong-ninang po, ninong-ninang. Next.
Ay, ninong-ninang. Ninang ngayon. Sige ba? Kaya na, i-present mo yung house.
Ninang. Ninang. Oh, friends. Paano your friends? Friends and family.
Ito yung families. Yes.
Smile.
Okay. Dami.
Sige na kayo. Sige.
Dito. Okay.
Ito dito.
Sir,
Dalawa lang sila.
Gwen.
Hug mo naman siya. Oh, yan. Oh.
Yan.
Sama ka.
Gas ang sarili mo.
Okay.
Oh, yun, dito kayo sa
Diyan mo
front.
dito.
Iwas na kayo.
Ito lang.
Sige.